Do you want to be successful in Agile and Scrum? Great! Stay with me in Agile Masterclass, Scrum for Product Owner and Scrum Master. I'm so glad that you are interested in Agile and Scrum career because look how much does a senior product owner makes per year. One more thing. Agility is a prerequisite to stay competitive in the long run. It's not optional. Now please check the description of the Masterclass program down below because we will cover a lot of things here and this Masterclass program will be updated continuously. You will surely find some great things about this program in between the lines, namely my passion invested into making my communication with you original, useful and attractive, as well as a promise of continuous improvement of this program. Hi everyone, my name is Dejan. And I am professional Scrum Product Owner, professional Scrum Master, Agile Coach and trainer of trainers with more than 50 international certificates in different areas of information technology. Based on my previous experience, I've created this user-friendly Masterclass program for Scrum beginners so I can help individuals and teams to get better results with Agile and Scrum. And there are no prerequisites for this program. Everyone can join. I will explain everything from the ground up. I promise you I will not waste your time. We will be very productive and efficient. Are you ready? Let's go!